Okay, for this video, I wanted to go over an example of a birth certificate from my own genealogy. This is one from my great aunt. She is my grandmother's sister. As you can tell on the line from the child's name, it started with Gertrude Esta, and they changed it to Lillian Esta, and actually her name was Lillian Esther. But because of the accent, the person recording it heard Esta because they didn't pronounce the R at the end, and that's how it got recorded. But in later records, you'll see that, or I saw, that it was actually Lillian Esther. Her date of birth was March 12th, 1912, and she was born in Orono in the state of Maine, which is down at the very bottom of the certificate. She was a female, color white. There was one child born at this birth, and here is something that is often overlooked. She was the 7th child, so having that information will help you in your research, because then you know that there were 6 previous children that you need to find the names for. Okay, then the next section is the father's information, and I'll kind of move back here. So his name was Frank Martin. His birthplace is listed as Orono. He is white. He resides in Orono, and it gives his occupation as laborer. Followed by the mother's information, including her maiden name. Now, this is important because a lot of documents you will not see the maiden name. So when you find it on a birth certificate or a marriage record, there's proof that her last name was Arsnault, and it also gives her birthplace as Chatham, New Brunswick, color white. The occupation line was blank. Now, given the year 1912, that's probably because she was a housewife. Okay, going down further, the name and address of the physician or other person reporting said birth. Dr. W.C. Hall, Orono. Okay, that is our informant. Since the informant is the doctor who delivered Lillian, the information is most likely correct. Okay, and after that, it shows when it was received by the town clerk, which was March 15th of 1912. So it actually took 3 days to be received and filed by the court. Okay, and then after that, there is the affidavit and the signature of the court clerk. So anyway, this is, again, a birth certificate, some of the information that you can find. Each certificate's going to be a little bit different, but they are very, very valuable on doing your genealogy. So that is one of the first records that I try to find when I add a new person to my tree. Hopefully this video helped you, and let me know if you have further questions. I'll be happy to help.